Hey guys! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download all your photos from Google Photos onto your computer. Whether you have a few photos or thousands, you can download them all in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, go to Google Photos in your browser. Once you're inside, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Manage your Google account. On the left-hand side, click on Data and Privacy. Now scroll down until you find the section called Data from Apps and Services you use, and click on it. Scroll down until you find Google Photos in the list. Click on the Download option. This will take you to the Export page. Make sure Google Photos is selected, then click Continue. Now you can choose how you want to receive your files. You can get a download link via email, upload directly to Google Drive, or use services like Dropbox. For this tutorial, select Send Download Link via email. Under Frequency, choose Export Once. Set the file type to .zip. For file size, you can select up to 4 GB or larger depending on your library size. Then click Create Export. Now you'll need to wait. Depending on how many photos you have, this could take minutes, hours, or even days. Once it's ready, you'll receive an email from Google. Open the email and click Manage Google Takeout Requests. Click on Download. You may need to enter your password again. After downloading, go to your Downloads folder. You'll see a zip file. Right-click on it and select Extract All. Then click Extract. Once extracted, open the new folder. Inside, you'll find all your photos organized by date. And that's it. That's how you download all your Google Photos onto your computer. If this video helped you, please consider dropping a like and subscribing for more helpful tech tutorials.